was called Silong, but by the end of the film, they understood why.
Wow.
Without saying too much. So that's
bakit naging Silong? You've seen it, he has seen it, man. Oh, okay,
can I just answer
Go ahead, sure.
question? Yeah, a lot of people were also asking how the division of labor worked out, and it's something that, basically what happened was, while we were setting up the scenes, a lot of the time, we're normally in conference, we're talking about how we wanted to approach it, and then we had previously agreed that to make it smoother, we'll just agree, and then Jeff will call the action and cut, just to make it easier, and so not too many people are screaming on the set. No, but then, so that's pretty much how most of the film was done. But then, towards the end of the film, we did divide. We took 2 crews, and so if you notice that there's different flavors in the film. I pretty much, Jeffrey pretty much did all of Piolo and his wife's background. I pretty much did Rian's, and then. Most importantly, for those people who watched it, I was the one who did Rian's bathtub stuff. And for those who were fans of it, Jeff is responsible for the infamous shower scene of Piolo.
Ayan, bilangan ng sequences pala to, bilangan ha?
So, for those people who are fans of that and you want to give a Christmas present, that goes to Jeffrey. That was all him.
Okay. Thanks, Direk Roy.
Thank you, Jeffrey.
Okay, and another question from Miss Josephine, si Mami Jo.
Hello po.
Hello din.
Congratulations. Tatanong ko po uli kung yung creators at yung directors. Bago po naging Silong yung pangalan ng movie, ano po yung mga hindi nyo pinagkaintindihang pangalan ng movie na gusto nyo ibigay dun title? Bago nag-come up kayo sa Silong. Because Silong can be a noun.
Nung sinulat ba ni Direk Roy, Silong na talaga, hindi si short. Charot lang.
Untitled.
Okay, kasi the story was that when I talked to them about it, I had this script that I've been writing off and on for years. The original title was The Kindness of Strangers, and we thought that was a little bit too. And then so about the time later, I started thinking. We were in conference together, and I said I wanted to call it Shelter. So sabay-sabay kami nag-Google na. Ano nga ba ang Tagalog ng shelter? So Google Shelter Tagalog, and Silong came up. And I think Jeffrey was the one who was like, that's it, that's the one. Because it's like Silong, ang Silong, Silongin mo ako, Silong tayo, or whatever. But then eventually Silong was chosen, and then
okay.
So we thought, but then since I'm pretty much Bisaya, Ilonggo, and Cebuano also at the same time, I was like, that's interesting that we chose that title because of my ramifications.
Because of Google.
Yeah, no, so pretty much I remember na.
Okay, so Shelter pa lang Silong. Now I know. Okay, Mami Jo, go ahead.
Ano daw ibig sabihin sa Bisaya?
Sa Bisaya daw, Direk, ano ang ibig sabihin ng Silong? Sa Ilonggo?
Nasa Google po. Panoorin niyo ba yung pelikula sa September 17? Sasagutin niyo po yung tanong. Okay. Manood kayo sa September 16, September 17, ipopost ko sa Twitter.
Meron namang may wifi tayo ngayon kapamilya event, so i-google nyo na. Ayan. Mami Jo, go ahead for your more questions.
Ang susunod ko pong tanong ay, ano po sa palagay nyo, kasi ang Silong, sa Silong ay madilim. Ang kadiliman ng medyo madilim din yung paglalahad ng kwento ng pelikula. Ano po sa palagay niyo what makes the Filipino darkness different from the other countries' darkness in narrating a story in a film?
So the creator should answer this. Okay, Direk Jeffrey. How...
I'm stumped.
Spell. Etching, Joe.
I don't know. I guess the Filipino flavor you will see siguro sa the interiors of the house, the exteriors of the house, yung mannerisms ng characters, yung kanilang mga rituals and stuff. We really didn't think of it that way. May sariling brand of Filipino brand of darkness. It's more of like a Hidalgo brand of darkness.
Ano na? Gusto ko yun.